In this video, I will show you how to add a new location on Google Maps. Here we will see how to add label which will be available to you only, add missing place and add your business. First, let's see how to add label on Google Maps. First open Google Maps on your device. Now search for the location in the search bar and go to the place where you wish to add a location. Use pinch and zoom in to find the exact location. Once you find the exact location, long press on that particular location to drop a pin. Next, tap Add Label and here you can assign a name to that location. Note that this is available to you only and not for public. Now we will see how to add missing place on Google Maps. Tap profile icon located at the top right side. Now tap Add a missing place. Enter details like place name, category, address, select location, photos, and other stuff. Once you fill in all the details, tap Submit. Now Google will review the details for authenticity and once approved, the added location will be available to everyone. Now let's see how to add your business on Google Maps. Again tap profile icon located at the top right side. From the options, tap Add Your Business. Now enter all the details like business name, business category, business address, and related details about your business. Just follow on-screen instructions and submit your business details. Here as well, Google will review the details for authenticity and once approved, the added business will be available to everyone. So that is how you can add a new location on Google Maps. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.